Ito sulit dayuhin sa Manila. Isang classic Chinese eatery serving one of the best fried chicken sa buong Metro Manila.
Another day, another cha-cha.
Very rich ang history ng the original Chicken Fondant. They have been serving authentic Chinese comfort food for more than 30 years. Yung tipong lutong bahay pero may restaurant feels. Kaya kahit simple ang lugar, binabalik-balikan sila ng mga suki nila. Na-meet ko nga pala si Aya Albert na siya talaga yung naging hands-on sa kitchen mula pa nung bata siya, learning the secret recipes and culinary discipline from his mother. Located nga pala sila dito sa Otis, Paco, Manila, just across Toyota Otis. Here are their classic home-cooked Chinese dishes na good for sharing. Starting off with the Pato Miswa Soup. This is a true classic comfort food, well-balanced and surely mabuboost ang energy mo dito. Ito mapapatalod ka sa sarap ng fried frog's legs, juicy, medyo a little spicy, pero walang lansa. May spicy litid sila with sea cucumber, very tender ang tendon, yun lang medyo nabitin lang ako sa sea cucumber. Ito pa isang winner, oyster ball, nakakaiba sa typical oyster cake. It's fried individually so mas crunchy and mas ma-enjoy mo yung flavor. Dip it sa special spicy vinegar nila para lalong sumarap. Ito nakakain ka na ba? Stir-fry tao miao or snow pea sprouts. Isa siyang vegetable na stir-fry lang ang luto na maraming garlic, very refreshing and pantanggal ng umay. Now here's the best part, the super juicy and crunchy fried chicken. Na marinated lang overnight kaya naman pasok ang lasa. Super crunchy, alam mong gamit nila fresh dressed chicken and hindi frozen. Available pala sila sa Grab or you can message them to order for pick-up. So try mo na tong the original chicken fondant. Simple, authentic, and sulit.